Ready? Right, I'm just going to show you how to mount a monitor bracket to the wall using some wall dogs. Fixed your drywall, as they say in the UK, plasterboard. So there's no need for a brown plug, you just go in dry. Take your bracket, work out where it's going. Obviously it will be different depending on your homestead. You don't need to find a stud, put your wall dog on the wall. Straight on. No brown plugs necessary. Just go straight in dry. That is secure. It's not going anywhere. And they've got a corkscrew on, so they just corkscrew into the plasterboard and hold everything firm. Yep, it's not going anywhere. Secure. No need for brown plugs, no need for drilling, no need to find a stud. Wall dogs. Get yourself a pack.